And I'm just gonna take a picture here and I'll just go ahead and click and create a blue background here. I'm gonna press done. So to add a sticker, as always, press the sticker icon on the top and some profiles on the right side. Go ahead and click that and you should see a new donation sticker. Again, make sure you update your app and be patient with this till it rolls out to your account. Click that. And this is the really cool thing about this app. It lets people support a non-for-profit. So you could either on top search for a non-for-profit, or you could look at some of the non-for-profits. I'm in Chicago here, so it's showing me some local ones, or you could see some popular national ones and international ones here. And when you choose one, just go ahead and click it. There's 3 dots next to one too, so you could read more about them. So St. Jude, for example, I could view their profile, their Instagram profile to learn more, or I could just go ahead and choose that sticker. So I'll choose St. Jude in this case. And here's the sticker. As always, you could go ahead and resize everything. You could go ahead and type in different text. So I could just type in different text or delete the one that's there. When you're done, press done and then go ahead and resize it. So as always, you could resize it. And I always recommend adding more things than a simple sticker here. And I have about 100 different videos on doing things on Instagram on this channel. So you could go ahead and check out all kinds of tricks here that makes your Instagram story really stand out. So once you get to this page, I'm gonna go ahead and just do the close friends here on the bottom. So you could either share it to your story or close friends. And if I click on donate, it will give me an option to donate right here within Instagram. And it will take you to Instagram.com where you have to sign in again and do the payment process. So go ahead and search and browse for your favorite non-for-profit. It's a great way to get other people to contribute and help your favorite non-for-profit here. I hope you found this quick video useful. Please give it a thumbs up and share it. I think this is a great way to support non-for-profits. So hopefully by sharing this video, more people will learn about this sticker. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you next time.